Hey there, food lovers! Welcome back to my kitchen. Today, we're making breakfast dreams come true with the fluffiest pancakes ever. And guess what? They've got those irresistible crispy edges. Get ready for a flavor explosion. You know I'm all about simple, delicious recipes that make you feel like a culinary superstar. Well, buckle up, Buttercup, because this pancake recipe is about to become your new breakfast go-to. Trust me, you'll be thanking me later. Let's get started. Let's be honest, a perfect pancake is a thing of beauty. It's fluffy, it's got a little crunch, and it soaks up all that sweet, syrupy goodness. Finding that perfect balance can be tricky, but don't worry, I've got you covered. We're talking foolproof tips and tricks to achieve pancake perfection every single time. Get ready to impress your family and friends with your pancake prowess. They'll be begging for seconds. Are you ready? Let's gather our ingredients. Before we start whisking and flipping, let's take a moment to gather everything we need. It's important to have all our pancake essentials ready to go, so we can make the process smooth and enjoyable. This recipe is super simple, so you probably have most of these ingredients in your pantry already. Let's start by checking our pantry for the basics. First things first, you'll need some all-purpose flour, the foundation of our pancake batter. Make sure to measure it accurately for the best results. Next up, grab some granulated sugar for a touch of sweetness. This will help balance the flavors and give our pancakes a delightful taste. Baking powder is essential for that signature fluffiness we all love in pancakes. Don't skip this step, and a pinch of salt to balance out the flavors. It might seem small, but it makes a big difference. Don't forget the wet ingredients, milk and eggs. These will help bind everything together and add moisture to our batter. And finally, a little bit of melted butter for richness and flavor. This will make our pancakes extra delicious and give them a nice golden color. See? I told you it was simple. With all our ingredients ready, we're set to make the perfect pancakes. Let's get started. Section 4. Pancake time. Let's get cooking. All right, pancake enthusiasts, it's time to get cooking. Today, we're going to make the fluffiest, most delicious pancakes you've ever tasted. So roll up your sleeves and let's dive right in. In a large bowl, whisk together your dry ingredients: the flour, sugar, baking powder, and salt. These ingredients are the foundation of your pancake batter, so make sure to measure them accurately. Make sure everything is well combined. This step is crucial to ensure that your pancakes rise evenly and have a consistent texture. In a separate bowl, whisk together the wet ingredients: milk, eggs, and melted butter. The wet ingredients will add moisture and richness to your pancakes. Now, slowly pour the wet ingredients into the dry ingredients, whisking gently until just combined. Be careful not to overmix, as this can make your pancakes tough. Don't overmix. A few lumps are totally fine. These lumps will actually help make your pancakes fluffier. Heat a lightly greased griddle or skillet over medium heat. The right temperature is key to getting those perfect golden brown pancakes. Pour 1/4 cup of batter onto the hot griddle for each pancake. This size is perfect for even cooking. Cook for 2 to 3 minutes per side, watching for bubbles to form on the surface before flipping, or until golden brown and cooked through. The edges should be slightly crispy, and the center should be fluffy. Now for those crispy edges, make sure your griddle is nice and hot. This will give your pancakes that delightful texture contrast. You can also add a little bit of butter to the pan before pouring each pancake for extra crispiness. This step is optional, but highly recommended for an extra layer of flavor. Section 5. Sharing is caring. And there you have it, a stack of the fluffiest, most delicious pancakes you'll ever taste. These pancakes are not just a treat for your taste buds, but also a wonderful way to bring people together. Top them with your favorite toppings: fresh fruit, whipped cream, chocolate chips, or even a sprinkle of nuts for that extra crunch. And of course, you can never go wrong with good old-fashioned maple syrup. The rich golden syrup adds a perfect touch of sweetness. Don't forget to snap a picture of your pancake masterpiece and share it with me on social media. I love seeing how creative you can get with your toppings and presentations. Your creations inspire others and bring a smile to my face. It's amazing to see the different variations and personal touches you all add. And while you're at it, make sure to like, share, and subscribe for more quick and easy recipes. Happy cooking! Let's keep this delicious journey going together.